Hello everyone, good morning. So today I came to water my plants, and to surprise I have got one passion fruit. See, this is a passion fruit, and here in this Christmas tree I was surprised like how from where it came. And then I got to know in this Christmas tree there is a passion fruit vine going up all the way to the top, and I got the passion fruit from there. Like this, I was surprised. Like, does monkey bought this, or like what else is bringing passion fruits to me, my garden? Then I got to know it is from this tree. Yeah, see there, that is a passion fruit vine. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.